Is your Tesla Model Y's touchscreen frozen, or are you experiencing autopilot glitches or connectivity issues? A hard reboot can often resolve these problems. Since the Model Y's systems are primarily software-driven, similar to a computer, occasional reboots are necessary to clear memory and resolve software conflicts. This video will guide you through two safe and effective reboot methods: the two-scroll reboot and the full power cycle. The two-scroll reboot is ideal for fixing touchscreen freezes or app crashes. First, ensure your Model Y is parked. Next, using two fingers, one on each side of the screen, simultaneously swipe from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black. The system will reboot and the Tesla logo will appear. This process usually takes under a minute and doesn't affect core systems or drain the battery. It's quick and easy for UI glitches. For more persistent issues, such as connectivity drops or sensor calibration errors, a full power cycle is recommended. This deeper reset addresses problems that require a complete system shutdown and restart. Follow these steps carefully. Start by shifting your Model Y into park mode. Next, press and hold the brake pedal to ensure the vehicle is safely stopped. Then, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the screen turns off completely. This initiates the shutdown process. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow the capacitors to fully discharge. This ensures all electrical components are completely reset. Finally, restart the system by pressing the power button again. The system will power back up with all modules refreshed. This method fully cycles power to all modules, including the central computer and autopilot cameras, providing a comprehensive reset for persistent issues. Let's walk through the two-scroll reboot again. 1. Park your Tesla Model Y. 2. With two fingers, swipe simultaneously from the top left to the bottom right corner of the touchscreen, creating an X pattern. 3. Hold the swipe for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black. 4. Release and wait for the Tesla logo to appear, indicating the system is rebooting. This method is quick, safe, and effective for minor software glitches. Remember to not press too hard. Now let's perform the full power cycle. First, ensure your Model Y is in park. Second, press and hold the brake pedal. Third, while holding the brake, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the screen shuts off. Fourth, wait 2 to 3 minutes for complete power discharge. Fifth, press the power button to restart. This process is more thorough and addresses deeper system-level issues. If the reboot methods we've discussed don't resolve your Tesla Model Y's issue, here are some additional troubleshooting steps to try. First, double-check that you followed the reboot steps correctly. Make sure the vehicle is properly parked, you've held buttons or touches for the right duration, and you've waited through the complete reboot cycle. If the problem persists, check Tesla's official support website or use the Tesla mobile app. These resources often have information about known issues and potential software fixes. According to recent data, 40% of Model Y owners now use the Tesla app for remote diagnostics, making it a valuable tool for troubleshooting. If reboots and app diagnostics don't work, schedule a service appointment with Tesla as a last resort. Keep in mind that manual reboots successfully resolve about 65% of reported infotainment issues, saving time and potentially avoiding service visits. Experts recommend performing reboots as a first-line troubleshooting step before seeking professional help. Avoid physical resets, as they may void your warranty. Stick to software-based reboot methods. Common mistakes include not holding the buttons long enough during the process. Another mistake is failing to wait for the capacitors to discharge during a full power cycle. Stay updated with Tesla's software updates, as the company is moving towards self-healing features that automate reboots. Automotive analyst Sandy Munro estimates reboots save owners an average of $150 in unnecessary diagnostics. Looking ahead, Tesla's roadmap includes more automated reboots, potentially eliminating manual intervention by 2028. The company is investing in AI and neuromorphic computing for real-time error correction. Future firmware updates may incorporate remote reboot capabilities via the Tesla app. However, user-guided reboots may still be necessary for edge cases, such as extreme weather affecting sensors. Expect a 50% drop in manual reboots by 2030, with advancements in firmware.